Tired of staring at the same boring white Gmail screen every day? Learn how to change your theme in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps to pick and apply a new theme. Let's start by opening your settings. Start by navigating to Gmail's homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. At the top bar, click on Themes. Then, click on Set Theme to browse available themes. Browse through the themes and click one to preview it. Once you're happy, click Save to apply your new theme. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.